Why the kindest people are the most dangerous? You don't underestimate nice people. Kasi minsan, yung mga pinakatahimik, sila pa yung pinakamaraming dinadaan ng laban. And that's what makes them dangerous. Not because they wanna hurt you, but because they already know they can. They just choose not to. Let's be real. No one wakes up one day and decides to be the kind one. Kind people became that because they've seen too much. They've been betrayed, disrespected, and underestimated. They have been pushed, provoked, and used. Pero kahit ilang beses silang sinaktan, they still choose to be kind. Pero wag mong pagkakamaling isipin na dahil tahimik sila, mahina sila. Kindness isn't weakness. It's strength under control. Kind people are dangerous because they understand both peace and pain. Alam nila kung gaano kasakit masaktan, kaya ayaw nilang manakit. And they know when to walk away and when to fight back. And then when they finally decide to fight back, they don't shout. They move in silence. They don't argue. They execute. They don't seek revenge. They let karma and consistency do the talking. Kaya delikado sila kasi they can destroy you without even raising their voice. Yung mga kind people, sila yung pinagtatawanan noon. Pero ngayon, sila na yung ina-idolize. Sila yung pinagtaksilan. Pero ngayon, sila yung mas payapa. They forgave, pero hindi nakalimot. They moved on, pero never naging bulag ulit. Real talk. If you're that kind of person, the one who always chooses peace kahit kaya mong lumaban, don't ever think that you're weak. You're just wise enough to know your energy is too expensive to waste on nonsense. Tahimik ka lang, pero alam mo kung ano ang kaya mong gawin. Hindi mo kailangang mag-ingay kasi alam mo kapag kumilos ka, tapos sila.